Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off Google Assistant in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to Google. Then here go to all services and here go to settings for Google apps and here select search assistant and voice and here select Google Assistant and here select general and here select Google Assistant. Already Google Assistant is activated and it is turned on. If you would like to turn off Google Assistant, just turn off this button and click on turn off. Now Google Assistant is turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off Google Assistant in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.